Of all the weapons in the vast Soviet arsenal, nothing was more profitable than Automat Kalashnikova, model of 1947, more commonly known as the AK-47 or Kalashnikov. It's the world's most popular assault rifle, a weapon all fighters love. An elegantly simple 9-pound amalgamation of forged steel and plywood. It doesn't break, jam, or overheat. It will shoot whether it's covered in mud or filled with sand. It's so easy, even a child can use it, and they do. The Soviets put the gun on a coin. Mozambique put it on their flag. Since the end of the Cold War, the Kalashnikov has become the Russian people's greatest export. After that comes vodka, caviar, and suicidal novelists. One thing's for sure, no one was lining up to buy their cars.
So I got impatient waiting for my plate carrier to arrive, and I want to get in some practice, and then I thought how hilarious it would be if I made a chest rig out of duct tape. Obviously I did, and it worked pretty well. I mean, it held magazines in place, what more do you want? Also, it cost me nothing, and when my plate carrier arrives, I'll throw this away, no big deal. This is what it looks like after 2 range sessions, and it'll last several more if I need it to, and if it tears, I'll slap more duct tape on it. Quality tactical gear definitely has its place, but don't let your lack of tacticalness prevent you from getting out there and training. And until my plate carrier arrives, I have no problem pressing this into service if I have to and need to carry a couple extra mags. Again, this whole thing started out as a joke, but the practice I got in was just as valuable as if I'd spent $100 on a name brand rig and took that to the range. Practice is practice. Buying gear isn't as important as some people on the internet would have you believe. That's been your public service announcement. For more tactical loopholes, like and subscribe, and please do whatever you need to do to get the skills necessary to defend life and liberty. Peace out.